Hello everyone, welcome to GAN SQL Server Debate Tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to clean up old backups in SQL Server. So, SQL Server maintenance plans are another way to deleting old backup files using the cleanup task. So here we'll just configure the cleanup task so that it will just uh, delete the old backup. So that is also depend upon your company, your company policy, retention policy, that how many day after how many days you want to delete your file. Just assume that your company retention policy is 7 days, then you should delete the all the files from the 7 days from the your local storage. Means that that is not a good way to keep all the backups in your backup path, because whenever you are keeping your backup path, it will become become adding the daily backup, so it will become a large, and backup is not a good backup keeping in the local is not a good option. So we'll just we have a retention policy that we can move the backup to the another location, to that writing to the tape drive, or keeping in another zone, another space. Okay, so now come to our SQL Server Management Studio. So go to the management. Let me open the Object Explorer. Okay, go to the management, and there is my maintenance plan. So just double click on the maintenance plan. You will be able to see the maintenance plan. Okay, and this maintenance plan is also available in the jobs. So this is the backup all db, this is also the backup all db, all database. The maintenance plan name is same. So now we'll just configure the maintenance plans for cleanup job. So go to the toolbox. There is a option is there, maintenance cleanup task. So just drag and drop in. Yeah, so this is a maintenance cleanup task. In maintenance cleanup task, it will just clean the backup with our given date. And this is a cross, means the connection manager is not specified, means that we are not configure this one. When we will configure this one, this cross will go away. So now I'm going to configure this one. There is two ways to configure that. I'm configuring with the maintenance plan, and another way we can configure with the, here we can schedule steps. We can write the, we can insert the some script here. We can write the script, and we can do it from here also. So I'm doing with the maintenance plan. So just double click on the maintenance plan. There you will get the connection. I'm connecting with the local. If you have another connection, then you can connect with that. And delete file from the following type. So backup files means it will delete the .bak files. And maintenance plan text report, so it will just report with that, just delete the report file, the txt file, whatever the report file we are creating. So just go to the backup file, and maintenance plan text file report, it will help to the DBA to get the what are the log file generated for the backup and other things, that will help to read the and get to the why that is getting error. So this thing will be written in the text file. So I'm just deleting the backup files only. File location. So if you select the delete specific file, so this is not a good option to select, because if you select this one, this will delete the specific file, and you have multiple files, then how this is quite difficult to delete that. So go to the next option. There is search folder and delete file based on your an extension. Means that we have an extension bak, all the bak file extension file will be deleted from the particular folder. So just select the folder, go to Chitrag, and as per your backup path, so the C program file, SQL Server, and this is a backup. So this is my backup path. I'm not able to OK button. Let me hide this one. So sorry for the resolution. So just click on OK. Again, let me remove the automate. Okay, so path is created, file extension is okay. Include first level of subfolder. If there is a multiple level of subfolders are there, then you can check if this one, and it will just include the first level of subfolders. And file edge, delete file based on the edge of file edge task runtime. So this is the way we can delete the file. How? So delete file older than the following. So there is a 1 2 3 4, each option is there. You can keep give each for your company retention policy, how many days they are allowing to delete that database file. So on database backup file, so BAK extension. So one I'm giving, there is a multiple options are there in hour, in day, in week, in month, and year. So there is a multiple options are there we can select as per our requirement. So 1 week or 2 week is enough for the keeping the data, and day is not a good option, and hour is also not a good option. Month is also not a good option, because 1 month you keep your data, that will be huge, and your year is not a, you know that. So go to the week, and week is a good option. 1 week enough for the keeping the data, and database is always changing, so 1 week is enough for that. And you can view the tsql script here. So this is my tsql script. We can configure the tsql script here. So what, execute master, delete files, and giving the path, and giving the time also. So with the t script also we can configure the maintenance task. So now click on OK. So here I have to give the include that. So whenever the first task will complete, means backup task will complete, then only it will go to the maintenance task. So this is the way we are connected. So there is a red button was uh, gone away. So now double, and now this is success. And go to the backup and steps. Okay, so go and edit. So this is my advanced. There is my reporting jobs are there. Okay. So now come to our maintenance plan, and this should be work after the backup is completed. Each backup database task is not completed, means our old database backup is not completed, then backup maintenance cleanup task should not run. Because if just assume that your backup is not completed, but my maintenance cleanup task is clearing the backup, then it's quite difficult for us to keep the backup. So what we have a so just double click on this arrow. The value is there, the success, failure, and completion. There is three options are there, constraints. So if the first task will complete, then only it will just go to the second task, means the all backup database you will complete, then it will go to the maintenance cleanup task. So this is the way we can clean up all database backup in SQL Server. Thank you for watching.